Meaning of good looks.
Good looks.
Good looks.
Good looks.
Good looks. Good looks usually refers to a person's physical appearance being aesthetically pleasing or attractive. This can include features such as symmetrical facial features, clear skin, healthy hair, and an overall fit physique. It is a subjective term and can vary based on cultural standards and personal preferences. While good looks can provide certain advantages in social situations, it is important to recognize that beauty is not the most important quality in a person. It is crucial to value character, intellect, and kindness above physical appearance.